Hello students, so today we are going to study about the few facts of the genetic code. Now see, there are two amino acids which are coded by only one codon. One is your tryptophan, for which only one codon is there, that is UGG, and another is your methionine, which is also having only one codon, that is AUG. So I hope this is clear. For these two amino acids, only one codon is there. Now see another amino acid, for example, phenylalanine. For this you are having two codons, triple U and you are having WC. Then next, aspartic acid. For this also two codons are there, that is GAU and GAC. For glutamic acid, also two codons are there, GAG and GAA. For lysine, it is AAA and AAG. For tyrosine, there is UAU and it is UAC. For histidine, it is CAU and CAC. For glutamine, CAA, CAG. For asparagine, it is AAU, AAC. And for cysteine, it is UGU and UGC. So I hope this is clear. If you see, there are total number of how many amino acids? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So your 9 amino acids are coded by two codons. Is it clear? So you have to remember 9 amino acids are there which are coded by two codons. Is it clear? You have to just learn the name of the amino acids, which are the amino acids for which there are two codons are present. Isoleucine. For isoleucine, there is three codons are there. AW, AUC, and AUA. So for isoleucine, you have to remember it is having three codons. Valine, proline, threonine, alanine, and glycine. These are the amino acids which all are coded by the four codons. For them, four codons are there. Okay. And last, leucine, arginine, and for serine. There are total 6 codons are there. So these are the few facts. Now see, we will make a summary of it. Now see here, we are making the summary what we have discussed above. Okay, we will write what are the name of the amino acids and how many number of codons do they want. If you see, there are two amino acids, once again we are discussing it, tryptophan and methionine. Okay, so these are the two amino acids for which only one codon each is required. Means for tryptophan it is UGG. It is number of codon for each, okay? It is for each. And here it was AUG. So I think so this line is clear. For these two amino acids, there is only one codon. Now, phenylalanine, tyrosine, histidine, glutamic acid, glutamine, aspartic acid, asparagine, lysine, and cysteine. So total how many amino acids are there? Let us do numbering also for our learning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. For these 9, there are how many number of codons? Each is having how many, coded by how many codons? 2 codons. Is it clear? So I hope this is clear to you now. In this, you have to just learn how. See one thing, I'll give the learning tips. See here. If you know acidic amino acids, acidic amino acid is your glutamic acid and aspartic acid. These are your acidic amino acid. And if suppose you are adding another amine group, then they become amide. Glutamic acid will make an amide, that is glutamine, and aspartic acid will make an amide, that is known as asparagine. Is it clear? So these four you can learn directly this way. Phenylalanine, if you remember, you have already studied, it is causing a disease, phenylketonuria. That way you can learn. Tyrosine, if you remember, tyrosine is responsible for making the pigment melanin. We want tyrosine for formation of melanin, and if suppose there is no enzyme tyrosinase, then melanin formation will not be there. The disease is known as albinism. So this is the way you can learn it, easy way. Then histidine, lysine, and cysteine, these are the only three you have to remember out of the way. Now, isoleucine is only one amino acid, which is coded by 3 codons. Okay. Then next is your valine, alanine, glycine, proline, and threonine. They are the one which are coded by the 4 codon each. Now last which is left, that is leucine, arginine, and serine. They are coded by the 6 codons each. Is it clear? So all your 20 amino acid names are written here. All the 20 amino acid names are there. And each amino acid is coded by how many codons? Each. Okay, this is important. I have given the mind map for you. I hope this will help you to learn the topic easy way. Now see the learning tips for stop codon. This is my own learning tips which I made it. See here. You just remember one statement. Agra, a gaya. Okay, just write this Agra, a gaya, and in front you put U. And then you make it UAG, UAA, UGA. Okay, so what are your 3 stop codons? UAG, UAA, and UGA. Is it clear? So these are your 3 stop codons. The student always get confused in learning. So I made this learning tips for the student. I hope this learning tips will help you to learn what are the 3 types of stop codon sequence. Now see, this is your genetic code. Okay, how to learn? You have to first remember this first row, second row, and third and fourth row you have to remember. If you see in the second row, check carefully, each box is coding only for 1 amino acid. Okay, each box is coding for 1 amino acid. Same here in the last row, if you check, leaving the first one, this one, first box, leaving this box and this box. Again, everyone is coding only for 1 amino acid full. So this is, I hope this much is learned. Ki second box only one amino acid, and in the fourth box 2, 1, 2, 1 you have to remember. Is it clear? So this learning is clear. Now see one thing. If you remember, we have already discussed that there are 2 amino acids which are coded only by one codon. So this is your one which is coded by only one codon, and even your tryptophan is the only one which is coded only by one codon. So I think so these two positions are clear, and I hope by seeing this diagram your memory learning is increasing. Now see the amino acids which are coded by 2 codon. This is your phenylalanine which is present in the first row. Then is your tyrosine. Come to the third row, tyrosine, which is coded by 2 codons. For histidine also 2 codons. For glutamine, for asparagine, for lysine, aspartic acid, glutamic acid. Is it clear? And cysteine. So this is the way if you will learn. I hope this topic will become very easy for you. You have to just remember this phenylalanine and entire third row. Entire third row, leaving these two stop codon, is coded by 2 codon only. And again you have to go up and 2 codons. Okay. Now only isoleucine which is coded by 3 codon is given here. This is your isoleucine which is coded by 3 codon. Now 4 codon is entirely second row, leaving this first one. So this is by 4 codon. See the board? This is by 4 proline. Your threonine, alanine. When you come down, then check here, you make it valine also, and you make glycine also. So these are the ones which are coded by the 4 codons. Is it clear? Now what is left which is coded by the 6 codon? Now see what are coded by 6 codon. Serine is here and here also. So 4 plus 2, 6. Same arginine. Check the board. I hope this will help you to learn also. Arginine is here and arginine is here. Is it clear? This is also one which is coded by the 6. See the board. This entire, this is your 6, okay, leucine. So blue color I've used it for 6. So leucine, serine here, and this is your argin. I hope this genetic code, all the sequence, it will be helpful for your learning. Thanks for watching class. And still if you have doubt, you can message me. I'll try to help you out. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.